Hello, my name is Aaron O'Brien. This is a tutorial to show off the cool new features of CBI. This release has a new way to add images to your collection and a couple of new ways to view the images. There's also a new feature in the cool stuff section called Wish List. So, let's get started. So, let's click on the icon. Okay, let's start off and let's jump into Add New Comic Books. We're going to add the series Echo, issues 1 through 10. We're going to hit Create Series. And I'm going to put it into fast forward time because this is not new functionality. We've seen this before many times. Okay, so we're going to step back. We're going into Browse Collection. We're going to go look at the title. And Echo we just added. Here are the 10 issues. See the question mark? So let's go take a look at Echo number 3 first. Okay, we would have the details because we just pulled it down. Let's go out to get the cover. When we pull it down, I'm going to show you some functionality that's always been there. If you tap on the image, there's a couple options you can do. You can delete it or you can rotate it. Right now we're just going to hit cancel. The new feature is that when you long press on the image, a menu pops up to view the image and you get a nice big full screen view of this. So let's step back. And back. First we save it, hit done, and it takes us back to our list. Okay, so we have issues 1 through 10. We've already added number 3, so the new feature that I added is download covers. You hit menu, then select download covers right there. And this is in fast forward time, but it pulls down all 10 issues of Echo. How about that? Or all 9 issues since we already had added one. So here's Echo number 2. Let's go ahead and do a long press on that again to see it. So there's a nice, big, almost full screen image of Echo number 2. Okay, step back. And of course you can do view all images right from here and you can see all of the images really in as big as much full screen as we can get it. So if you haven't read the Echo series, you should pick it up because it's great. Okay, now the other feature that I added this release, I was listening to the iFanboy podcast where they were talking to James McManus about a new graphic novel he had coming out called Return of the Dapper Men. And I was thinking, man, I wish there was some way that I could add this to a list so that I could remember to get it when it comes out. It's not really tied to a new release, so it can't be added to the pull list. So I implemented this new feature called the wish list. So we'll tap on the wish list. And from here is a very, very simple interface. You just type in the comic book that you just heard about, or whatever. I find this to be very useful when you're listening to iFanboy when they talk about the pick of the week or Awesome by Comics. That's a really great podcast to listen to also. Hit add. So there you go, Return of the Dapper Man. Now this one's not released yet, so let me add one on there. We'll add in Echo 13. And issue number 13. Now this is actually a mistake. We're going to go ahead and add it, and then we look at it and we think, oh crap, the name's Echo, not Echo 13, number 13. All you do is do a long press, hit delete, and it's gone. Just that easy. Fix your error, hit add, and there you are right there. So it's in your wish list, so now you want to add it to your collection. So you went out and bought it. So you hit add to collection. Right here, you can hit get details. It'll pre-populate it just like it does on the add comic. You can hit the GCD button, hit get cover, and there's the cover. Still, you can do the long press to view the image to get a good look at it. And there you go. Just hit save. You hit OK. And when you come back, the assumption is that you added it. So it asks you, do you want to delete it from your wish list? And we'll say yes, delete it from the wish list. And there it's gone. So there you go. That's the new features in the new release. I hope you guys like it. This was a really fun release to work on. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.